The Autodesk connector for ArcGIS allows Infraworks to connect to ArcGIS organizations like the ones shown here. ArcGIS content can now be added to an existing or new Infraworks model. Simply log into your organization and you'll be presented with a map that shows your project area of interest. You can select the feature layers on the left-hand side, configure them to Infraworks objects, and click Add to Design Project. Once the data has been imported into Infraworks, layers can be reconfigured and restylized based on the ArcGIS attributes. This allows you to drive custom stylization based on that rich attribution. Utilizing some of those ArcGIS attributes, we can also drive custom tooltips. Both Infraworks attributes and layers are automatically expanded when connecting to ArcGIS. The connection from Infraworks to ArcGIS is also live and refreshable. That means we can use field applications like ArcGIS Collector to collect additional assets. Once ArcGIS is updated, the Infraworks model can be refreshed and the new assets will be added to the model. Utilizing ArcGIS to improve your project context will lead to better designs.